Hello, and welcome to our fun and educational video all about spelling words with the letter C. In this video, we'll be introducing you to some easy and exciting words that begin with the letter C, and we'll show you how to spell them step by step. First up, we have the word cat. C-A-T. Can you spell it with us? Great job! Next, we have car. C-A-R. Well done. Now, let's move on to some slightly more challenging words. Camera. C-A-M-E-R-A. Excellent. Caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. Keep up the good work. And for our final words, we have candy. C-A-N-D-Y. Amazing job. And lastly, computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Wow, you're doing great. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all of our latest videos on spelling, grammar, and more. Thanks for watching, and we hope you had fun learning to spell these words with the letter C. See you next time.